Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for viewing in on this video. And today is actually a very important video, I guess. I'm going to be unboxing my backdrop and setup and lighting and all that stuff, so you guys don't have to deal with my boring wall anymore. So let's start unboxing. Okay, so I have my scissors right here. Here it is right here. The big box. Big box. Big box. Okay, so I actually ordered this from Amazon, and I chose this Faucetin? I don't know. But it's that brand of lighting set and all that. So the whole set came with a green screen backdrop, a black backdrop, a white backdrop. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips for the backdrops. Right here, I'm guessing it's the pole or something. Okay, this is for one of the softbox lighting. So it comes with 2 umbrella lighting. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it comes with light bulbs too. Oh, look at that, light bulbs. So this must be a light bulb. Yep, another light bulb. This might be another light bulb. I don't know what this is too, but it's for lighting. Same thing. And this is just a stand for the lighting. Another stand. This is a lot of stuff. I need some directions, some instructions. Here's another one. And another one. This must be a light bulb. It is. Another light bulb. Another light bulb. another stand. Another stand. And these are for the backdrops. And that's it from the bag. Okay, now I'm gonna set it all up for you guys so you can see the final product. Okay, so I checked the box and everything and all that, but there's no instructions anywhere. So I'm gonna have to figure it out how to put it all together. Great. I'm exhausted. Hi, babies. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to put it together because I honestly don't know how and just no instructions. So I'm just kind of lost, and I'm probably gonna watch a video on how to do it because I honestly don't know how to put it together. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I tried to figure out how to put stuff together, and sad to say, it all does not fit in my room. I have it all put together and set up, and I'm gonna show you it right now. Okay, so this is actually the entrance to the house. I just went ahead and set up everything right here with the space that I have. Okay, so I had to get an extension cord or whatever this is called with the extra plugins. I have my 2 box lights right here set up, and right here is my tripod. And then on this side I have one of the umbrella lights, and then on the other side I have it, so I'm just surrounded in lights, guys. And with the backdrop, the height could be extended and the length could be extended. It actually came with 4 rods for the top to extend it, to make it longer, but I really don't need it to be longer, so I just stuck with 2. And then it did come with 6 clips to keep the backdrop tightened up. And yeah, this is the whole setup, guys. And it is the Fawcetton, I think that's how you say it, the Fawcetton brand of lighting. And I had ordered it from Amazon. And here I am sitting surrounded by the lighting, and it is some really great lighting. Dang, it's just showing everything off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for viewing in, and I just wanted to share my first setup with lighting and everything to you guys. I am so excited to start filming again with my new setup. And actually this setup is a gift from my mom and dad. I just want to say thank you so much. I am so grateful and so thankful for this amazing early Christmas present. Actually, my mom came into my room on Sunday with her phone, and she was like, here. She handed me her phone, and then she was like, I honestly don't know what you need, but you can go ahead and pick out the lighting and all the setup that you need. And it was totally unexpected. I am so thankful and grateful for you, mom and dad. Thank you for believing in me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for viewing in, and I have so much more videos to come. I have actually been super busy and working a lot and doing extra things, and yes, I will be back after this video. I have so many new ideas that I can't wait to film, and thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.